Uttarakhand, a northern state in India, is in the lap of the Himalayas. Tourism and agriculture are the main sources of income here. The farmers here grow rice, maize, millets, and also some local pulses along with the cereals by step farming. The farmers have small land holdings and they themselves work in their field. Farmers here also grow a local pulse called rice bean in the monsoon along with finger millet and sorghum as an intercrop. Rice bean, whose botanical name is Vigna umbellata, is locally known as Mor, Ryans, Haramas, Bhuremas and Gurunj. Rice bean is considered as a minor pulse crop and has not received focused agricultural attention. Farmers grow low-yielding mixed land races in the marginal fields. Rice bean comes in a variety of colors and therefore is called as Naurangi in some areas. In Uttarakhand, it is mostly grown in Nainital, Almora, Bageshwar and Chamoli districts. In Bhimtal, a grocer told that the production of rice bean is very little and nowadays the price varies from rupees 70 to 90 a kg. Farmers grow these in remote villages for their own consumption and directly sell the excess crop to the traders. The green-colored one is known as Mor or Haramas and the brown one is called Ryans or Bhuremas. In Chamoli, a farmer said that rice bean is sown during the monsoon, generally in July, after the millets germinate and gain some height, and is harvested by the end of October after harvesting the millets.
दो प्रकार का होता है ना, एक तो लंबा होता है, उसमें एक तो लकीर लगाने वाला डंडा कुछ लगाना पड़ता है, एक छोटा मतलब खेत में छोटा ही होता है, भट्ट की तरह भी होता है, एक बहुत लंबा होता है, जितना लकीर जाएगा लंबा.
There are two types of rice bean. One is tall and climber type, the other is short and erect type.
उसमें कीड़ा लग जाएगा, वो वाला काला वाला.
अरे उसमें वो भी होता है, ठीक है, रंग से मतलब अलग-अलग रंग का होता है ना, काला होता है उसमें पीला, उसमें उसके ऊपर पंख ना पीले छोटे-छोटे फूल को खा जाता है. जब फूल होते हैं ना स्टार्टिंग में तो बहुत सारे झुंड में आ जाते हैं.
Apart from the wild animals, an insect, Maruca vitrata, causes a huge damage to the crop. The larva and the insect form a cobweb around the flower and eats the flower and pods. Rice bean, although a popular food among the locals, its cultivation is decreasing with time.
रेंस का ऐसा है, रेंस बहुत ही सुंदर मतलब एक दाल है और जो है जिसका मेहनत और लागत भी कम है और उसका टेस्ट जिस भी दाल में डालो उस टेस्ट को बहुत ही बढ़िया बना देता है. इससे इरिगेशन हमारा मेन है, हमारा पानी बिल्कुल नहीं है, इरिगेशन और जो है इस पर ध्यान दे दे.
Stray cattle, lack of irrigation and small land holding are the other major limitations. Rice bean requires very little agricultural inputs. Early pod shattering, which causes huge loss, is another problem of rice bean. People consume it in the form of pakoras, bari, dal, soups and as stuffing in rotis and puris. It is also used as offerings in holy rituals and is very tasty. Department of Biotechnology, under the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, has funded a project for accelerated domestication of this minor pulse crop. Requirement of less agricultural resources, natural resistance against several plant diseases, and high nutritive value are the major advantages of this crop. 3 government-funded laboratories, ICAR, National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, National Institute of Plant Genome Research, and ICMR, National Institute of Nutrition, are jointly carrying out this project. Field-level characterization of collected land races, genomics-assisted breeding, and nutritional evaluation are the major objectives of this project. Development of genetic and genomic resources will help the breeding program to incorporate useful agronomic traits and release of advanced rice bean varieties. It is hoped that this project will be helpful in popularizing rice bean cultivation and in adding another option to India's pulse basket.